Library, and this week is Ontario Public Library Week, so we've put together some really fun Mo Willems themed take and make kits for all of you, and you've probably picked them up. And today I thought I'd share some of my favorite Mo Willems books. So the first one I will be sharing is called The Pigeon Needs a Bath. Hi, I don't know if you've noticed, but the pigeon is filthy. So I could use your help because the pigeon needs a bath. That is a matter of opinion. What a kidder. I don't really need a bath. I took one last month. I think it was last month. Scratch, scratch. Clean, dirty. They're just words, right? I feel clean. Maybe you need a bath. Yeah. When was the last time you had a bath? Oh, that was pretty recently. Life is so short. Why waste it on unimportant things, like taking a bath? What smell? I don't smell anything. And if I do, it's a very normal smell for a pigeon. You know, in some places, it's impolite to bathe. Buzz, buzz, buzz. All these flies buzzing around me are purely coincidental. You, yeah, let's get out of here. Take a bath, dude. Okay, fine. If it means so much to you, I'll take a bath. Whoa, I'm not going to like this one bit. The water is too hot, too cold, too lukewarm, too hot, too wet, too cold, not enough toys, too many toys, too deep, not deep enough, too cold, now it's too hot again, too reflective, that is still too hot. Well, I guess this is okay. Splash! Hey, this is fun. Wash, 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 wash. La, 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 la. Singing in the tub. This is the life. I love bubbles. Hello, how are you? I'm fine. Look at my wrinkly toes. I'm a fish. I'm a fish. 10 hours later. Can I stay in the tub forever? The end. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.